Okay. I am now in Burlington Coat Factory, and I guess the guard or the lookout person was saying they're only $160. And so I picked up this Nanette Lepore tree skirt. I guess that's what it is. Looks like a throw, but I'm going to use it as a tree skirt. And it's $14.99. I have to show it to you later. It's $14.99, but I think it'll make a nice tree skirt. So let's look at some of this stuff. This is my first time in Burlington in Texas. Long way from Maryland. All right, so let's go to the back and see what else they have, okay? Okay, guys, so I'm just gonna pan around. This store is much bigger than the store at the Burlington in Maryland. When they say Texans do it big, do everything bigger, well, that's what they have here, because this is a big store. So I just wanted to pan around and let you see that. Pan around and let you see this top right here. This is kind of cute, actually. Let's see how much it's $14.99. That's actually kind of cute, isn't it? All right, so let's go back to the home goods section. All right. You know, I'm still showing this to you guys. I am just blown about how big this store is for clothing. I mean, I'm just blown, guys. This is a big one. Okay, let's keep going. Did I say we were going to the home decor section, home goods section? Look, I'm back here. Look at all the toys they have. Look at this. Let me see if I can find my little grandbaby some toys. Well, we're gonna get back to the home goods section, but let me stop and look around at these toys, guys, and I'll be back. Okay, guys, this is what I got in the toy section. I got two wispy walkers. These are super cute. Look at these. So she's gonna walk her little baby sister, push her in her stroller. Okay, I was trying to see if I could find some more Paw Patrol items, but I didn't really see enough. So I'm just gonna head over one more time. I'm gonna try this. Head over to Home Decor. Okay, keep watching. So guys, what I actually came in here looking for was a table runner. And I wanted something neutral. Oh, this is a nice one. Let's look at this one. Let's see what this is looking like. Okay guys, this is what I came in here for, was to find a table runner. So I'm kind of liking this one right here. This one is, this is a two-piece table runner set. And you can see the price of them. But I think I'm going to select this one. Just wanted to show you guys this one. This is nice as well. And these holly leaves and berries are raised So I'm gonna come close so you can see it. But this one is nice as well. It's just that that's not the look I'm going for. But if it were, I would select this one. Now guys, let me just say this. Each Burlington, as we all know, they're all different. Now while this store is bigger and they have a lot, oh my gosh, it's a lot in here. This stuff is all over the place. I can't even get my cart through here, guys. But look, this is a lot of stuff in here. So we'll just give you a look, and so you can see what they have in here. They got mirrors and trays all over the floor. This actually is kind of interesting. Look at this. $19.99. That's cute, I guess, if you had a bar cart. You could sit that on your bar cart, or maybe for cologne, perfume. Here's something nice to put ornaments in. Look at that. It's nice. $4.99. Those are pretty. See this. $19.99. Those are nice. Look at these vases. These are part of the Michael Strahan collection. Let's see how much these are. Oh, no price. Let's see if I can turn it around. A price on it? No price, guys. But that's part of the Michael Strahan collection. Okay, so these nutcrackers are nice for your front. They're $19.99. These are nice. And they come up to about my waist. So guys, just look at this. Madness. Christmas is everywhere. I like these ornaments. These are $12.99. I think these would fit perfectly on my tree. These are nice. Look at them. These are really, really nice. These are nice as well. $12.99. No, look at this. Chaos. I can't shop like this. This is a lot. Well, I guess I can. If you want to dig through stuff. I mean, what stuff is... Look at all this stuff. Oh,